In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the header on your Wix website, whether you're looking to simplify your site's design or focus the user's attention elsewhere. Removing the header can often be a helpful choice, so let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to achieve this. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website editor. If you're not sure how to get there, navigate to your dashboard and look for the option that says Edit Site. Clicking on this will open up the Wix Editor where you can make changes to your website's structure and design. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the header container itself. Now, while you might initially think you can just delete it, Wix doesn't allow the header to be completely removed. However, you can choose to hide it. When you click on the header container, a pop-up will inform you of this and guide you towards the option for hiding. Your next step is to access the pages and menu settings. In the left-hand panel, look for the option that says Pages and Menu and give it a click. This section allows you to manage the different pages of your site and their layout. Next, you want to click on Site Menu. This option should be visibly listed under the Pages and Menu settings. Entering here will provide further customization options for your website. As you manage the pages, you'll want to focus on the home page. Click on Home in the Site menu and you'll see additional options to configure how your home page is displayed, including settings relevant to the header. At this point, look for the three vertical dots, commonly called the More Options icon. Clicking on this will reveal extra settings. Select Settings from this menu to adjust your site's display configurations. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Layout. Accessing the Layout settings will allow you to modify how various site elements, including the header and footer, are arranged or omitted. Now select the No Header and Footer Layout option. This selection effectively hides both the header and the footer from the page, streamlining the user experience and focusing attention on the core content of your page. If you're looking to further customize, consider clicking on the horizontal menu. This component is closely tied to your headers function, and removing or adjusting the items within it can help achieve a cleaner look. Finally, a great adjustment is utilizing the scroll options to hide the header as users navigate your website. By modifying the scroll settings, the header can be set to dynamically disappear during page interaction, enhancing the visual flow of your content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully hide the header in Wix, refining the visual appeal of your site and steering focus where it's most needed. We hope you found these instructions helpful and encourage you to experiment with these settings to best match your website's theme and purpose.